Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to transform your old laptop charger into a USB-C charger. Get your old charger, a fast charging module and a male-male USB-C connector, links in the description. Let's strip the charger's wire. Positive and negative are illustrated on this picture, but if you are unsure, you can use a multimeter to double check which is which. Once the positive and negative wires are known, we can solder them into the charging module. Now we connect the male-male USB-C. Before we move on, I need to tell you that I've been listening to audiobooks about electronics which helped me evolving throughout my journey. I will leave a link in the description for a 30-day free trial. And we are good to go. I decided to print a small enclosure to protect connections from the outside.